Hi, this is Sanati Madhu. This time I have uploaded the video of Netaji Indoor Stadium's tourist spot. So do enjoy this video.
This is Sanati Madhu. I've come up with another video. This time a video in Netaji Indoor Stadium tourist spot fair. So basically there was a lot of problem in terms of parking my vehicle OD02AM 8033. So after a lot of effort I am able to park my car. So in front of, I think, some very historic place is there. You can see from behind, such a big place, very ancestral form of building, British time building, I think. So very nice. So anyhow, somehow I'm able to get my parking. So I'm going towards Netaji Indoor Stadium here. So stay tuned with me. So this is the place, very historic place. I'm going towards Netaji Indoor Stadium. This place belongs to Indian Army. So anyway, looks like High Court. High Court. This place looks like High Court. Just parallel to this road, on the left side, there is another parallel road. On that, there is Eden Gardens Cricket Stadium, the biggest cricket stadium in Asia. And just adjacent to it, there is Netaji Indoor Stadium. So there in the tourist spot fair is happening. I think this is High Court, Kolkata High Court, probably. It looks like Kolkata High Court. This is, you can see the flag of the light, floodlight of Eden Garden. Gradually and slowly let me move towards tourist spot indoor stadium. There are 3 stadiums. Today I have seen the 3rd stadium, just on the other side of the Eden Garden. There is another small stadium with floodlight has come up. So definitely it is High Court, I think. This is High Court, yes. Anyway, so I have to take the left turn, and from there I'll go to the indoor stadium. So such a heritage building, High Court. See, such a big place. Anyway, let's move ahead. So there are 3 types of courts. One, Supreme Court, that is in Delhi. High Court, which is in every state of India. So in West Bengal, Kolkata is the capital. Specifically, capital only it is there. So Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. So this is the High Court, you can see. Such a big High Court. Anyway, I have to move ahead. So just adjacent to, in fact, the opposite side of the High Court, there is Netaji Indoor Stadium. There is also Alipore Court. From here you can see the enormous city of High Court. Probably in every 7 o'clock you tend to see this building during any law related news. So this is High Court. You see such a big High Court. Anyway, and just adjacent to it, there is State Bank of India, SBI regional office. So I still remember when I was going to Germany, that time we didn't have any currency swapping facility in localized State Bank. So I had to come to this place in this regional office of Kolkata, State Bank of India, wherein I got the currency swapping. Initially I had to take some euro from, obviously had to convert rupee to euro. So that time I had to come to this place, State Bank of India regional office, to get that currency. Nowadays every tourist company like Thomas Cook, Cox and Kings, all these international tourist place will have this currency swapping facility, or in fact the airport does have currency swapping facility in international airport. So no problem as such at present. So that's the story behind State Bank of India regional office, Kolkata. So that is Hira Datta. Okay. So initially I moved to the other lane, wherein I thought there will be parking, but that parking is for Eden Garden usage only. So I didn't get the parking. So I came outside that Eden Garden parking and then moved towards the Netaji Indoor Stadium parking. So therein also it is not allowed. So I have to take I think roundabout turn, and near High Court I had got the parking. So I have to cross and go to this. So this is Eden Garden Cricket Stadium, biggest cricket stadium, and this is Netaji Indoor Stadium, AC Stadium obviously. So I have to cross. I have to go to the tourist spot. So from there I'll cross. I thought that the parking will be inside, or in fact the underground of stadium. That will be that is the normal trend. I mean, such a big stadium, the underground of the stadium should be the parking. Anyway, so this is tourist spot. Anandabazar Potrika. Today in the morning I woke up. That time in Anandabazar Potrika, they mentioned this tourist spot here. So that is the issue. Kashmir. Acha. So that in fact in Anandabazar Potrika, you tend to get lot of leaflet like this. So just before entering, I got this leaflet. So probably I'll see this and what are the things. In front of the inside Netaji Indoor Stadium, wherein the tourist spot fair is going on. So I'm going inside and let's see what are the things available over there. So I have got the leaflet just before entering the indoor stadium gate. I got lot of leaflets. So I'm not able to read it right now. So I'll go back and see what are the things inside there. So before, when I'll do that, then I'll tell the exact thing. So right now I have to go inside. So let's see what happens. So there is a ticket of 20 rupees for visitors in tourist spot. So I've bought the ticket through online mode only. So you can buy it from any of the counters. There are 3 counters. So today is not rush. Tomorrow probably will be very rush because today is Saturday, and most of the cases what happens is schools are open today. So you will not get that kind of rush. But tomorrow is Sunday, so there will be too much rush. So I thought of coming on Saturday only. Anyway, I'm going with the tickets like. So this is the ticket. Anyway. Thank you. So finally entering Netaji Indoor Stadium. So you will see a lot of things. See, this is the Netaji Indoor Stadium. So this reminds me of IIT Madras Student Activity Center. Oh, it looks amazing. So most of the times, Mamata Didi, whenever nowadays there is nothing called Dharmotala Cholo, so that is called Netaji Indoor Stadium Cholo. So nowadays most of the time Mamata Didi, Chief Minister of West Bengal, holds her speeches in Netaji Indoor AC Stadium. So amazing outlook, you will see everything is modernized in nature. So there will be a centralized, like if you go to New York in United States, there will be a centralized podium wherein the President of United States will go onto that podium and inspires his audience. So similarly, Mamata Didi also does the same, but I have not got the opportunity to come to this place, and so today there is a lot of activities happening inside stadium. I thought in Anandabazar Potrika online e-Potrika I have seen this thing, so I thought of why not make a visit to this place. So we'll see such a big TV. So basically entire thing is about tourism only. So nowadays India is booming on tourism only. So there are a lot of tourist places, especially this tourism is on eastern part of India. So tours and travels, there are a lot of newer tours and travels. In my days, it was only Cox and Kings and localized tourists, like Kundu Travels and all. So this is now a lot of newer tourism or tourist companies have come. So let's see what are the things. So I'll start from that lane. So this is, we create memories to make memories. Okay. So this is Kerala, God's own country. I have been to this place. Kerala, I did my MBA from here. God's own country. Inside this is absolutely, so I believe that nowadays today is yesterday it was augmentation of Rath, so probably the Rath fair and all those, because on rainy days you are initiating Rath, and Rath does hold very big fairs in and around Kalighat region, I think. So instead of holding that Rath in Kalighat region, they can hold it here, because nowadays now is rainy season only, so outside related any activity should not be initiated, only inside activity should be initiated, and if it is a fair, it should be inside a stadium only, like this. So anyway, very small stadium, but it has a huge number of, what do you call, very well organized chair, chair kind of sitting facility. So if you can able to go upstairs. I still remember when I was in primary or secondary school, whatever it may be. So I was there on that blue, deep blue you are seeing on that lane, and that time the President of India, APJ Abdul Kalam, came and gave his lecture in this stadium. So nowadays this stadium is being conducted for a lot of activities, primarily Mamata Didi's speech, any issues, state related issues like RG or medical problem related issues, all these things, whenever the government of West Bengal tends to discuss with the audience, with the citizens of West Bengal or the Kolkatans, they call up, they tend to initiate speeches in this stadium only. So anyway, very nicely decorated, and it's absolutely AC. So this stadium reminds me of IIT Madras Student Activity Center in Chennai, IIT Madras. The sitting capacity is almost the same and the same structure, and this was the basically the, what do you call, the stage, and that was the audience sitting facility. Here in what we are seeing, that entire stadium is surrounded by seating capacity only, and in the middle there is possibility of speech facility through podium. So anyway, so this kind of facility always reminds me of IIT Madras, and it is in Kolkata, and this is my school days. So in the morning only I got this ad in e-paper. I don't know. So it's all about tourists. There are, I think, probably more than 26 now. I think 28 or 29 states in India. So all the Andaman with Andaman travelers. So various sort of tourist company. You'll see this is international, I think. Holidays, Darjeeling, inside indoor stadium. সুন্দরবন এলাকা, সুন্দরবন সরকারদা is like কত ভাই সুন্দরবন প্যাকেজ গভর্নমেন্ট 2 নাইট ফ্রি গভর্নমেন্ট আর ইলিশ উৎসবটা কি এখন চলছে, আর ওর মধ্যে ইলিশ টিলিশ সব পাওয়া যাবে। So what else should I say? This is Darjeeling, Sikkim. This is only West Bengal related only. Darjeeling, Sikkim is just adjacent to Darjeeling, and probably from Sikkim you can go to Bhutan also. So this is on puja and winter. Lot of stalls. Probably I'll go to the other side. I'll take a U-turn from here and then I'll go to the other side. This is Darjeeling. Once again, Darjeeling is coming up.
আপনি আপনাদেরটা আমি এই জন্য দেখলাম
I think they have done this. The outlet structure is little bit confusing. So probably they should initiate West Bengal related tourism, and from West Bengal they will go outside West Bengal, and from outside after finishing Eastern India, they can probably go outside in Eastern India, probably international. So the structure is little bit confusing in nature initially. So that is a problem, I think, because people will be confused because there are so many stalls and they are not integrated. Region wise they have to be integrated. Those who want to visit specific place, they can easily identify through the map, or probably the map which they have read in primary school. They can, through that they can easily connect with those people. So see Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep is just out, meaning west of India, but this is primarily on eastern of India. So they should not, but they should not club into eastern tourism stalls. Anyway, this is 30,000. This is international. Okay. Like that we can get connected. Anyway, we'll go to the other place. I have been to this. This is all international, I think. Stunning Switzerland. Other side I'll go. That side I have finished. So all the things I'll put in. So this is a newest addition. I don't know from where. So from Singapore. See, I don't know why they are not flying from our Babu Ghat or Prinsep Ghat. Selling from Singapore. Though we have a probable customers from Kolkata itself. Very nicely from Disney. Singapore through cruise. Obviously with family you should go. So in Sundarban we have not seen any tanker related tourism. So I'm going to the other side. This is old. There is a good magazine called Bhramon. So probably who wants to roam here and there, they can buy that Bhramon and they don't have to come to this place. So probably they can give a visit, especially those who are planning to go during puja, during puja vacation, they can go. Indoor stadium. This is called Jharkhand Ministry of Tourism, India. Jharkhand is like Dhanbad. Dhanbad, I have been to Dhanbad. This is a new brand, Travelexa. This is old, very old brand. Thomas Cook is very old brand. Around I think 2004 onwards they have come up. So 21 years old, international traveling brand. Let me see what are the places I have been to. Madhya Pradesh I have been to that called Panchmadi and another place also is there. Shanchi Leisure. So there is Zenith Leisure Holidays. Zenith that time in our school days was selling computers. Now they are into traveling. This is age-old company Thomas Cook. When I was in Germany that time, Thomas Cook was there. Primarily they are into this Europe tourism. I don't know what is the situation right now. Mostly international in nature. This is Germany, Oktoberfest. SOTC. I have not been to this place. That is Switzerland. This is all international.
চৈতি ঘোষাল, যাকে আমরা আমাদের এই মূল মঞ্চেও পাবো। তার সাথেও আমরা একটু ঘোরা বেড়ানো নিয়ে কিছু আড্ডা, কিছু গল্প। আর তার কিছুক্ষণ পর আমাদের আনন্দবাজার পত্রিকা টুরিস্ট স্পটের মূল মঞ্চে এসে উপস্থিত হবে দুজন বিশেষ অতিথি। বিখ্যাত চলচ্চিত্র
Oh, this is
পরিচালক
doers.
অনিরুদ্ধ রায় চৌধুরী এবং অভিনেতা শাশ্বত চ্যাটার্জি
Tourism world.
তাদের আগামী কয়েকদিনের মধ্যে মুক্তি পেতে চলেছে নতুন চলচ্চিত্র।
Everything I will put in YouTube channel. I have my channel Ronnie's Identity, wherein more than 313 videos have been uploaded, and seeking your cooperation in getting more subscribers.
সাথে আমরা তাদের আগামী
I have been to these places, not in Africa, old place.
বিয়ের মা নিয়ে আমরা কিছু কথাবার্তা বলবো। এর সাথে অবশ্যই ঘোরা বেড়ানো নিয়ে থাকবে অনেক গল্প। আমাদের আন্তর্জাতিক পত্রিকা টুরিস্ট
I have been to this place earlier, I think. Andaman. Okay, Andaman. Both the sides of Andaman. Andaman is very nice for honeymoon packages. Coral relief is there. Underwater, what do you call it? Browsing is also there. Amazing tourist place. But I have not. So there are submarines also which will allow you to go under the sea. So a lot of sea water tourism is there in India. India is a peninsular country surrounded by 3 seas. So a lot of tourism can happen in those lines. That's it. I think Bhutan is like, you must have seen Kung Fu Panda, so there is that kind of mesmerizing building we'll see. In one go you cannot see. So most of the, I think the videos will be uploaded in YouTube, not by me, by others also. They will probably come here and upload most of the features, and probably these small stalls can upload their own video in YouTube channel, and probably through that we can, probably through Incredible of India channel in YouTube, they can promote their stalls. So that's it. I think this is the end. This is the tourist place, so you can once again see this stadium, very old stadium. So I still remember I was there on the other side, just in and around that tourist spot. And from there I actually got the opportunity of listening the president's speech, APJ Abdul Kalam, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam that time. So very old. I came into 1996. It's almost like 29 years, and still the same, the structure. In fact, in 1994 also I came for drawing competition. So that time I was sitting on the floor. Everybody, we were kids that time, and we went through. I got the consolation prize anyway. So that's it. Probably this time has come to get out of this place, and probably I'll upload most of the videos, whatever I've taken, and YouTube channel only. Maharashtra Tourism is there. Console get the final look. Thomas Cook, Fox and Kings company has not come. Only Thomas Cook has come. Very nicely done. That's it. I'll end over here. If you feel like connecting with me, please do so, and please subscribe my channel Ronnie's Identity in YouTube. And stay tuned for more updates and videos in the future. Bye.